Good morning, YouTube.
Morning.
I'm here with the Eddie Horvath and ZZ. Hey, if you go back to the last video I put on the Friday video, there's a pinned comment in there from ZZ Mark.
Oh.
And go back and read it, and you can say hi to ZZ through the comment. So yeah, he's still on the run. They haven't got him yet. So all right, it is the 27th of April, and this is the last weekend in April, and we got thunder in the background and we got rain on the way, but it's 54 degrees. It's beautiful out right now. Super thanks is Russ Oles. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Rod.
And don't forget, next weekend it will be the 4th of May up in Corsica, Pennsylvania. I will try to remember to put it in the description as far as the directions to the Corsica Fire Hall, and they're going to have a benefit for Pete to help him out. There'll be a meet and greet. You get to say hi to Pete in person. We're going to be hanging out there. I think Stump Jumper. I heard Mike Morgan talking about he might even come out there with Outdoors with the Morgans, and it'll be a good time. Some food. Just please show up.
Yeah.
All right, and all right, what else we got going on here? National Pike. The Steam, Gas, and Horse show is coming up the 18th of May. I think ZZ, he might break free. He might be there. Yeah. So we're going to be hanging out at the sawmill there. It'll be like a meet and greet. Anybody wants to come up and say hi to us, remember the 18th of May, National Pike.
That's a good show.
It's a real nice show. And we got something from LANDTOP. Oh, yeah. And LANDTOP is a company that makes all kinds of attachments for skid steers. And this here is a receiver to go on forks. And we're going to try this out on this video. They also sent us a nice work basket, which is you put on the forks and it's a man lift. And I don't have it here today, but it will be on future videos coming up. They also sent me an air conditioner. It even got a suction cup on it. And this will go on my window and hooks into the USB, and it's a nice little cab fan. This is beautiful if you had a piece of equipment that didn't have an air conditioner working, and that will really be good. They gave us hats.
Oh, yeah, the hat.
And they also sent us up. These are actually pretty funny. I'll show them on the camera here. So you can hold them. Farm safety notice. I like it. No smoking, Eddie.
No smoking.
Yeah, and it said this is not a playground. So here's one of them.
Oh, yeah.
I like this one. This is kind of like the old school warning. And I'm going to get some metal cut out for these and put them. They're stickers. And this is a real nice one here. So it's all about safety. So there we go. Thank you.
Yeah, you're too kind.
And we will be demonstrating how this works here on this video. And other than that, what do we got going today?
We're going to get into white pine.
Finally get into that pine. Alrighty, everybody. Let's get this show started. All right, we're gonna try out our new hitch here. So we want to tighten them down. I brought a piece of.
Actually, there's a hole right there.
Yeah, yeah, the hole you're not supposed to put in your.
I put them in years ago to lift a stone.
There you go.
Put that in there.
Let's get
Like that.
let's get rid of this nylon wheel here. I don't know what they're for. Let's tighten these down just to get that wobble out of there. Yeah, that's taking all that play out of there nicely.
Actually, if we get another pin, we can double.
I got a pin right here.
Yeah, but I mean,
Here, we'll put this other pin in here then. There we go. Is it gonna go?
oh yeah.
I'll put that keeper in. Oh, that's beautiful. We didn't know that them holes were gonna work.
Yeah, looks like we made it for it.
Good job, Ed. Yeah.
I got a block over here.
Yeah, you wanna. Yeah, this is a 12,000 pound trailer, so. I'll just make sure that don't end up on the ground there, Ed.
I can't see it.
No, 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 no.
Put that. Come up with it. Hold on.
You got good? Yeah. There you go. Now we're locked. You want the pin in there? All right. See how good of a driver Eddie is. Pick up these couple blocks here. Sorry about the camera angle here. And we're going to move it over to the other side here. Seems to be very rigid, very well made, very nice product. And I will put a link in the description of this video where to get one of these. And we also have a work basket that I have, and we're going to do a couple things on the building with it. We got to change the flag, and we got a couple things we want to do on the side of the building. So we'll demonstrate that on a different video, but you're plowing, Ed.
Backing it.
And this thing will fit our loader and our skid steer, so it'll work on both pieces of equipment. All right. We unlock this dog here. It's hard to film it. All right, there it is. Tell you what, that is really a nice little device to have. You should have seen the day we struggled trying to move the edger.
I used to just hook the chains up and try to hold on to it, but that never worked well. That works pretty good.
Yeah, yeah, we got a lot of uses. Every time we saw big stuff on the mill, we got to move that edger out. This will take 30 seconds.
But if you have a camper too,
Yeah, you can move a camper around. anything. But yeah, and it's very, very well made, very heavy duty. So hey, go over to LANDTOP and check it out. And Eddie has a hat, but he has the wrong hat on. I'm sorry.
No. It was so nice to have.
Yeah.
I was kind of saving it for Sunday.
Yeah, that's a Sunday
I'll put
hat.
it on next video.
But yeah, we'll have, like I said, we'll put a link in the description on how to find one of these. And we also have the man basket to try out, and you'll see that on a different video. So, all right, back to it.